Welcome. Welcome to driving lesson 2. Today's topic is beyond the wheel, understanding your vehicle as a wellness tool. Wellness beyond the body. When we speak of wellness, our minds often go straight to the body, the mind, and the soul. We think of rest, nutrition, mental health, and spiritual balance, and rightly so. But there is one area we often overlook: the condition of our vehicles. Yet every day we entrust these machines with something priceless: our lives. They carry us, our children, our loved ones, from one place to another, and still we take them for granted. We assume they will start, we assume they will stop, we assume they will protect us, even when we have not protected them. Today, I invite you to expand your definition of wellness, to see vehicle care not just as maintenance, but as a form of self-care, community care, and life preservation. Because true wellness includes everything that carries us forward: body, mind, soul, and the vehicle we drive. We are going to talk about the following topics: objective of the lesson, safety first, understanding how your vehicle behaves under pressure, understanding vehicle maintenance, understanding roadworthy requirements, checks done during roadworthy testing, vehicle factors that contributed to road fatalities in 2023-2024, benefits of understanding how your vehicle works, behavioral skills of a responsible driver, core values reflected in responsible driving. Understanding your vehicle is a foundation for confident driving. Learning to drive is more than just mastering the mechanics. It begins with understanding your vehicle. As a driver, it's your responsibility to know why routine checks matter, from adjusting your mirrors to inspecting for oil leaks and ensuring all systems are functioning properly. Grasping the mechanical and technical aspects of your vehicle, it's not just about knowledge. It's about safety, confidence, quick response times, sound decision making, and responsible behavior on the road. Understanding your vehicle accelerates your learning. You stop second guessing your actions and start driving with assurance. This awareness quiets anxious thoughts and fosters a sense of calm behind the wheel. It also sharpens your focus. You are less likely to be distracted when you know where everything is and how it functions. With your eyes on the road and your hands on the wheel, not fumbling for controls, you reduce the risk for incidents and drive with greater presence and peace of mind. Safety first. Learning to drive, understanding your vehicle, communicating with confidence. Every car is different, and so are its controls. That is why it's essential to learn how your specific vehicle responds to pressure on the brakes, clutch, and accelerator. Sensitivity varies, and knowing how much force to apply can make all the difference, especially in moments of agency. When faced with a hazard, you must know how to brake swiftly and safely. If you are driving a manual vehicle, consistent practice with foot controls is non-negotiable. Without it, your car might stall in the middle of traffic, and trust me, you don't want to hear that hooting sound or see the looks from the other drivers. It's not just embarrassing, it can feel traumatic and shake your confidence. Using your warning signals, especially indicators, is vital to safe driving. These signals are your voice on the road. They tell other drivers what you intend to do. Sadly, not everyone uses them. Some drivers ignore this basic rule, forcing others to guess their next move. This kind of behavior is not just inconsiderate, it's dangerous and often leads to avoidable incidents. Driving is a skill, but it is also a language. Understanding your vehicle and using signals well means you are not just moving, you are communicating, responding, and protecting lives. Driving with awareness. Understanding how your vehicle behaves under pressure is key to becoming a confident and responsive driver. When you know how your car reacts, especially during sudden stops or emergency situations, you improve your reaction time and reduce the risk of skidding or losing control. Mastering the emergency braking system means you can stop safely and swiftly when it matters most. This knowledge empowers you to respond calmly and effectively to unexpected hazards. As a driver, preparation is everything. When you understand your vehicle limits and capabilities, you are better equipped to manage dangerous encounters and make smart decisions based on the situation at hand. Driving is not about movement only. It's about mindful control, timely response, and responsible action. Understanding vehicle maintenance and roadworthiness is more than a technical skill, it's an act of responsibility. When you care for your car, you protect yourself, your loved ones, and everyone who shares the road with you. Regular maintenance helps prevent costly breakdowns that can become financial burdens or worse, life-threatening emergencies. A well-maintained vehicle is not just reliable, it's safe. A responsible driver ensures their vehicle is roadworthy, meeting all legal and safety standards, efficient, performing at its best without strain or waste. The car responds well and saves energy, safe, ready to respond in any situation without putting lives at risk. Driving is a privilege, and caring for your vehicle is part of earning that privilege every day. Understanding vehicle roadworthiness requirements. Before you buy, it is critical that you understand the roadworthy requirements. I know buying your own vehicle is a thrilling milestone, a symbol of freedom, progress, and independence. But in that excitement, it's easy to overlook the fine print that protects your safety and your finances. Please be alert, especially when you're buying a second-hand vehicle. Take time to understand the roadworthiness requirements. These standards are not just legal formalities, they are life-saving measures. A car that is not roadworthy can put you, your loved ones, and others at risk. Don't be misled by a seller who downplays faults or skip inspection. Know what to check, ask the right questions, demand the paperwork, ensure that an authorized vehicle inspection company is performing the inspection. Because once the deal is done, the cost of repairs, or worse, the cost of a life, is yours to carry. A responsible buyer becomes a responsible driver. When your vehicle is safe, compliant, and ready for the road, you drive with peace of mind, you protect your finances, you honor the lives around you. Safety begins before the engine starts. Checks during roadworthiness testing. Brakes, tires, and suspensions will be checked. Lights, indicators, and reflectors, steering and alignment, windscreen and wipers, exhaust and emissions, vehicle structure, and body integrity. It is absolutely critical that your vehicle is thoroughly checked and any faults are fixed before you take it on the road. This is not just about compliance, it's about protecting your life, your loved ones, and everyone around you. A roadworthy vehicle gives you a peace of mind, confidence, and control. Neglecting maintenance can cost more than money, it can cost lives. The next slide will reveal key vehicle related factors contributed to fatal crashes in 2023 and 2024. Let's learn, let's act, let's drive responsibly. Your vehicle, your life, your responsibility. Vehicle related issues were among the leading contributors to fatal road crashes in 2023 and 2024. These were not just stats, they were lives lost, families shattered, future cut short. That is why taking care of your vehicle is not optional, it is essential. The moment you sit behind the wheel, your life and the lives of your passengers and others on the road depend on the condition of your vehicle. You may be a responsible driver. You may follow every traffic rule, respect speed limits, and drive with caution. But if your vehicle is not roadworthy, if the brakes are faulty, the tires are worn, or the steering is unstable, your best efforts may not be enough. True road safety is holistic. It means maintaining your vehicle regularly, checking your tires, brakes, steering, following speed limits and overtaking with care, staying alert and prepared for the unexpected. The data is clear. Best tires, worn brakes, and mechanical failures have cost lives. Let us not wait for tragedy to teach us what we already know. Protect your well-being by respecting your vehicle, because safety starts long before the journey begins. Benefits of understanding how your car works. Why it matters. When you understand how your car works, you build more than just technical knowledge. You build confidence, control, and peace of mind. You know your vehicle is safe, roadworthy, and fully compliant with legal standards. You feel in control because your car meets high safety expectations and responds as it should. You reduce hesitation and make quick, informed decisions, especially in high pressure situations. Most importantly, you help prevent road traffic accidents caused by vehicle related faults like worn brakes, faulty steering, or tire failure. Understanding your vehicle is not just a skill, it's a form of self care, a commitment to safety, and a way to protect every life your journey touches. Behavioral skills of a technical and responsible aware driver. As a driver, you anticipate risk and adjust your driving based on road conditions, vehicle performance, and traffic flow, which means you are situational aware, you are aware of your surroundings. You avoid aggressive driving, speeding, or overloading the vehicle, knowing how these behaviors affect safety and wear, which means you are a driver who can self-regulate and have discipline. You perform regular checks, tires, brakes, lights, fluid, reducing the risk of mechanical failure on the road, which means you are a driver who has a preventative mindset or preventative thinking. In moments of crisis, responsible drivers respond with calm and clarity. They draw on their understanding on how their vehicle behaves, using that knowledge to stabilize, steer, and stop safely. So, which means you can stay calm under pressure. Staying composed also means staying away from road rage, a dangerous behavior that often escalates into conflict, aggression, and tragically fatal outcomes. Emotional control is just as important as technical skill. When you choose calm over confrontation, you protect your life and the lives of others. You become part of the solution, not the chaos. Respect of limits. You know the vehicle's capabilities and avoid pushing beyond safe thresholds, especially in poor weather conditions or on damaged roads. Empathy and accountability. You recognize that safe driving protects not just yourself, but passengers, pedestrians, and other road users. Core values reflected in responsible driving. Driving with values, the heart of responsibility. Respect, compassion, discipline, integrity, empathy, accountability. These are not just personal virtues, they are the foundation of responsible driving. Every time you take the wheel, you can reflect these values in your actions, in how you treat other road users, in how you respond to pressure, in how you care for your vehicle and follow the rules. I hope you will not only strive to embody these principles, but allow them to shape your journey towards becoming a better driver. And even more than that, an excellent one. Because excellence on the road begins with character, and character begins with choice. This concludes our lesson, Words of Encouragement. Together, we create a culture of responsibility, safety, and empowered living, one journey at a time. I hope you have enjoyed our lesson. Be safe on the road, be a responsible driver. To be a responsible driver, it starts with learning and practicing. Please avoid road traffic accidents, protect fellow citizens. Please click the subscribe button. Be part of our learning family. Goodbye.